Hello, Brandon and Hunter. We're doing a warm-up here. The first question was, if you go on a diet and lose weight, will you also lose mass? We saw that weight and mass are connected by this formula. So if weight goes down, so does mass. So the answer is yes. All right. John weighed 980 newtons on Earth. Before leaving for the moon, he ate a lot of pasta. When reaching the moon, he weighed 167 newtons. That means on the moon, how much weight did he gain, or did he gain at all? And we're talking about on the earthly scale. Earthly scale? All right, so here I set up a weight equals mg equation. Notice my first goal was to take this number and find the mass on Earth, because that's the same. And then I'll take this number and find the mass on the moon. So the mass on Earth is figured out here. 980 equals mass times the acceleration due to gravity. 9.8, when you divide both sides, it comes out to a nice and sweet 100 kilograms. The moon, weight on the moon equals mass times gravity on the moon. 167 from the problem equals mass times 1.6. So we will have 104 for the kilograms on the moon. So 104 kilograms on the moon. So what happened? Did you get 104, Emily, number one?
Yeah, I got 104.4.
Okay, I'll just take 104.
Because it affected the answer.
Oh, it did?
A good bit, yeah.
All right, well, okay, mine is 104, I really shouldn't even use that. But if I did sig figs here, I'd get 100 here and 100 here. So I had the same problem you did. You see what I mean? So I noticed there was a difference. So I only used that many sig figs, you went even longer. So your answer might be a little different. So did he gain weight, Emily, number two?
Yes.
All right, he went up 4 kilograms. And then the question said, what did he weigh? How much weight did he gain on the moon? So I just switched 4 kilograms back into weight equals mg. This time we know 4. This is 9.8. Where's that work? I squished it down here. And it came out to 39 newtons. It turns out, I looked it up. I've never taught this. We don't usually teach conversion from weight on the metrics to weight in America. But 1 pound is the same as 4.45 newtons. I looked that up. So you said it was 15?
I thought that's what she said the other day.
No, I don't remember.
I wrote
Anyone
it
remember me saying something like that? Well, this is what I looked it up. We usually don't convert from one to another, but I was curious how much weight gain that is. So if you take 39 and each pound is 4.45
So
newtons.
220 pounds.
You
It
divide
wouldn't be in pounds
No.
there.
39 divided by 4.45. What would that be?
It's like 9.
Pardon?
I got 2 points.
Alex, are you in?
439 divided by 4.45. What do you get? How many pounds did he gain?
About 9.
9 pounds. That's a lot of
Oh my
pasta.
goodness. How much pasta did he eat?
About 8.8 pounds. What'd you get with your decimals?
I got 43 newtons, which should have been
23, that's all?
no 43,
43.
which is like
Okay.
9.6. So.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right.
that's what I got too.
All right, good. Good. All right, on number 3, we have the force on the vertical axis, acceleration on the horizontal, and I gave you 3 vectors. Which graph corresponds to the greatest mass? Anybody have a thought on that one? What do you think?
I think it's A.
And why?
Because I set up the equation.
What
So
equation?
force equals mass times acceleration.
All right, force equals mass. There's many ways you could look at this. All right, so let me put
And
A.
then so A, if you make like your triangle, the acceleration is smaller than any of the other ones.
So
and
you
the-
made a triangle. You
yeah.
went like this,
Yeah.
and then like this,
Yeah.
and then like this.
Mhm.
All right, and what
And so the acceleration for A is the smallest out of all of them.
for this one?
Yeah, for
Right.
A. And then the force is the greatest.
Right.
So if you look at your equation and fill
So
that
this
in, so
is
I
the-
put F
this
equals.
is the greatest.
Yep, and then A
This
is.
is the smallest.
So if you have the greatest number and m times a, so you have to divide that by the force. So you want to divide by the smallest number and then have the greatest number as f.
So you're looking like that, and you
Yeah.
saw the other ones wouldn't create.
Yeah, because
That's
the other
big a
one,
number.
yeah, because a would be the greatest for the other ones, and then the
Okay.
force would be small.
Interesting. All right, I didn't think of it that way.
Is it
All right.
right?
I'm not saying. All right, anyone think of it another way? Emily, number 3, what was your answer?
Really good guess.
She's picking that one. Emily,
I
number.
went with A too.
Why?
Had the greatest slope, so I was like.
Slope. All right, what's slope got to do with it? We have y equals mx plus b. So the slope sits there. And look at our equation. F equals ma plus 0 for b because it crosses here. So do you see how the mass and the slope, this m is slope, this m is mass. But do you see how the two m's line up? So you do want the one with the greatest slope. So very good. So that's another way of looking at it. So from your math class, the slope of this is going to equal the mass in our equation. If you think of this as y equals mx plus b, this is slope. Which line has the greatest slope? A. So very good. Anyone think of it another way? So you got it. Yeah, you got it your way. All right. Anyone think of it another way? All right, there's several ways you can do it. Those two should get you to the answer. All right, here's our moment of truth. Do you know the unit for mass? Did you write it down? What'd you write down, Emily, number 1?
I wrote down newtons.
You wrote what?
Newtons.
Oh, that's disappointing. What about you?
Is that right?
She got it right.
I put down newtons too.
Oh,
You're sad we got it right. Oh darn.
What about you, Zach?
I think it's a Jedi.
A Jedi? Okay, you missed. All right. Which do
Wait,
you
no,
want?
I want to change
The
my
regular.
answer.
Regular. All right. This is my glove.
I can't.
Actually, I'll put it this way.
The lunch lady.
Regular.
Should I get this on the video to see what they're missing?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yes.
All
Look
right.
at these beautiful fig newtons.
Because I came to school and you.
Look at that close up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna shove it down my face.
Oh wait, can I can't record.
Ready? Take a bite. Just take one. I'll let you just take one. Go ahead, you do it. Force it in there. I'm not gonna do it. Here's
You have
a
to eat the
couple
whole
of
thing.
bonus ones for getting it wrong. What about you, Emily? What'd you write down?
Class goals.
Feet.
Feet? Oh, Emily. How silly. Strawberry,
I
damn,
thought we
blueberry, or
should
regular?
get points for getting it right.
Regular?
Ew, regular.
Regular's the best.
I don't remember these. I kind of okay. Can I change my answer? I want to try one.
Jack, I want something creative.
Nile.
Wait, what did you say?
Nile.
What
Alex,
unit?
what did you
What
write?
unit
I
is
said
the-
feet.
Feet,
Ah.
Alex. How silly.
What unit?
Do you like strawberry, blueberry, or regular?
I'll take strawberry.
All right, a man of
Okay.
adventure.
Feet.
Strawberry,
You're gonna run
regular.
out at the rate that these people are
Yeah.
going.
I wasn't even gonna get regular. All right, Brian, what did you write?
I'm kidding, I'll take her regular.
Oh, Santana.
Santana.
Oh, this is the worst.
Blueberry, strawberry, or regular?
I don't know which.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Strawberry.
Blueberry.
Strawberry.
Okay. If you like blueberry.
Just get one of each.
We get one of each. Get
No,
one of
that's,
each.
that's too picky.
Blueberries seem a little
Tastes
fresher.
like Nutri-Grain bar.
Oh really? Then I might like them. I like Nutri-Grain.
Wait, which kind did you get? Strawberry. That's what I would get. I kind of forget what they taste like, to be
She's
honest.
gonna go around again.
All right.
Oh,
You can
I'm
have your
having must have
snack and
seen.
eat it too. While you're snacking, I'll go over the most missed test question, and that is this one right here. Does the football cross over the
Should I record
crossbar?
this?
Is it off now?
No, it's
No.
still going. But oh, I
Yeah, we
might.
better turn it off and come right back because I forgot to give you the timer.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.